I'm about to share with you how much LiveGood's top earner is making, and it is incredible. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now we jumping straight into the content. All right, one thing that people talk about when it comes to LiveGood haters, right? One thing that they will bring up is, man, you can't make no money and LiveGood, right? You can't. Like, look. It's only a $40 affiliate fee to get started, and the membership is only $9.95 a month. How the hell you gonna make any money with that, right? That's what the haters say. They say, man, it's impossible. You can't do it, right? Well, this video is gonna prove otherwise, all right? Because there are several people in LiveGood, and LiveGood's only been around 10 months. LiveGood ain't even been around a year yet as I'm recording this video, all right? And there are several people making over $10,000 a month in LiveGood, all right? Now, there's a top earner right now as I'm making this video. There's somebody in the company that is just doing it, right? And I was on a webinar with this person, and they were kind of giving tips, right? They was on a training call, and this person was talking, they were, giving basic tips, whatever. And then they actually casually, told how much they were making in LiveGood, right? At the moment on a monthly basis. So the LiveGood top earner, you ready for this? You ready? This is what he said he was making. Over $100,000 a month. That's right, I said it, $100,000 a month. Now you watching this, you might be one of them people, oh no, hell no, come on man, that's fake, that's not real, blah 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 blah. Well, actually, it's very believable, and I'm gonna tell you how he's doing it. All right. So one thing about LiveGood's compensation plan is they have what they call a 50% matching bonus. So for every personal affiliate that you bring into LiveGood, you get a 50% check match bonus. All right. So for example, you go out there, you become an affiliate with LiveGood, you're doing what you do, and you get one referral, right? And that referral is about that life. They're like, yo, LiveGood, this is what I've been waiting on. I'm about to work the hell out this business. So say this person goes out and they kill it in LiveGood, and they start earning $2,000 a month from their matrix, right? $2,000 a month. So of course, you already got the $25 fast start bonus, right? From you bringing them into LiveGood. But now you're going to be getting $1,000 a month from that referral, right? 50% of whatever they make. So if you think about it, say you had 10 affiliates, 20 personal affiliates, 50, right? No matter what they earn in their matrix, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus, right? So when you really think about that, it makes sense how the top LiveGood earner is making this kind of money, because as of recording this, he has over 200 personal referrals, right? Over 200 people that he is making a 50% matching bonus on. And this dude, he got some heavy hitters on his team. He got some real go-getters on his squad. So he got people on his team that are making $10,000 a month. So he's getting $5,000 just chilling, not doing nothing. He got people on his team that's making $1,000, so he's getting $500, right? Just play with the numbers, right? So he has a lot of people that he's getting 50% matching bonuses. But not to get too deep with the comp plan, but not only is he getting the 50% matching bonus from his personals, he's actually earning on multiple other levels from other people on the it's crazy, right? And you might be watching this and be like, oh, that's cool and all, but ain't no way in hell I'm gonna be able to get to that point, right? Like, how am I gonna do that? Well, to be honest with you, here's the truth, right? First things first, you become an affiliate, right? You have to set the goal to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go after a lot of affiliates, right? You want to get your referrals. Start with your first 2, right? Just get people involved in LiveGood, right? Then you need to have the mindset of, I want to go after like-minded people. I want to go after go-getters like myself, right? Because that's how you make the real money in LiveGood. Is when you got people on your team who think and got the same mindset, same determination, same motivation as you do, because that's where everybody starts to make money, right? It's that simple. So when you first just get started, just get your first couple commissions, get your first couple 25, get your first few people on the team. That's cool. See what they do. But then get into the mindset of like, yo, I want go-getters on my team. I want people who believe in being their own boss. I want people that believe in financial freedom. Go after those people, because those are the people that's going to get you to the 5, 10, 20, hopefully $100,000 a month, just like the top earner, right? But that's the mindset you need to have. But just damn sure believe that people are really making money in LiveGood. My sponsor, I believe, just hit over $5,000 a month, right? He just reached out to me a couple weeks ago, giving me tips and everything, which is very, very helpful. So it lets me know that if he can do it, I can do it. And if I can do it, you sure as hell can do it. So if you're ready to get started with LiveGood and jump on a popping ass team, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad.